is Frank Brennan here in beautiful downtown Newport, Rhode Island. I want to welcome you aboard this gorgeous Azimut 66 yacht. We're standing on a swim platform back here which measures a full 4 feet wide by 12 feet long. Come on aboard. Back here you have ample aft seating for 8 people, and we have 2 chairs that can be put out right here. That are director's chairs that come with the Azimut yacht. Also here is a wet bar, and of course a refrigerator. Join me in the salon. In this yacht you have your TV is right here. It pops up and it goes down when you're not using it. We have a beautiful couch over here and another one on this side. It's got a nice L shape to it so that you can put your feet up, watch TV, and relax. As with all Azimuts, this particular Azimut has all its glassware stored for ready access and security. This is the Grand Milano wood, which is a beautiful version used on the Azimut 66. And join me on the settee up here. This will comfortably fit 8 guests. And your galley is here to port. Full-size refrigerator and freezer, a Miele induction stove, and a Miele microwave grill. We also have a wine center on this boat, which is right here. Keep your favorite beverages at the proper temperature. Up here at the helm, you'll see 2 seats for your captain and co-captain. We also feature conventional bow thrusters and a joystick. So if you're a conventional driver, go with your bow thruster and your throttles. If you want an easy docking, go with the joystick, which is right here. Full featured Raymarine displays here that control your lighting, your heat, your air conditioning, and all your services. This yacht also features 2 bar stools that can be shared either for entertaining in the galley or facing forward for driving and enjoying the ride with the rest of the group. Down below here, we have 4 staterooms. To port is a double bunk stateroom. There's a VIP forward with its own ensuite head. And to starboard is your day head, and again, another stateroom. As we enter the master, you have a washer and dryer, individual units on either side, positioned here. Here's your washer, and your dryer is over here. Your master stateroom is full width with windows on both sides. A large walk-in closet over here. And again, a pop-up TV over here for when you're watching TV in bed, and it goes away when you want it away. Master also features an ensuite head and shower. And now we'll go topsides. This large bridge features great dining area. We have a retractable sunroof, which can be pulled back. Again, full wet bar and grill top sides. A little bit further forward, 2 helm seats for the captain and co-captain, and they swivel so you can join the party. And over here, this settee accommodates a table that is adjustable in height for either cocktails or dinner or lunch. And to the rear, we have a great seating area out in the sun. And all the way forward up here, you'll notice in the bow section, we have a beautiful couch, a small table, and lounge chair. Again, I'm Frank Brennan, MarineMax Newport. This is a great place to keep your yacht, and if you do choose to purchase the yacht and keep it here in Newport, you will not pay sales tax, one of the great advantages of Newport, Rhode Island. We hope to welcome you aboard soon. Thank you.